I saw him on the screen, didn't know his name, but something in his voice lit a quiet flame. It melted all the noise like a calm, warm rain. And from that day on, I was never the same. A stranger with a song, but he felt so close, like he wrote the words just for me the most. He sings, and I fly to a world so new, where my heart keeps whispering only you. I'm just a face in the crowd, a silent fan, with a dream too big to understand. I wanna know him, hold his hand, but I'm here and he's in Neverland. Still every note feels like a touch, and I know I'm feeling way too much, but it's him I see when the stars shine through. Hopeless, yes, but only you. He writes from the heart, and I feel each line as if he's reading pieces of mine. But he doesn't know I exist at all. Still I catch him when I fall, and I gave him my wishes, sent them on the breeze. May success find him with gentle ease. Maybe I'll never meet him, maybe he'll never see, but somewhere in the silence, he's already part of me. I'm just a face in the crowd, a silent fan, with a dream too big to understand. I wanna know him, hold his hand, but I'm here and he's in Neverland. Still every note feels like a touch, and I know I'm feeling way too much, but it's him I see when the stars shine through. Hopeless, yes, but only you. Only you. It's hopeless, I know it's true, but still it's only